Exercise 1.1 gi question number 5 ko. Find 6 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. 1 by 3 ga 2 by 3 ga gi marakta rational number taruk hapo hai. Masai du cha mane masai question number 3 4 to gi du cha mane ko. Kaim kenate solution harni ko. Koina we have kana pirami 1 by 3 ko. Pirami je kana no. Siga piram bane yare ko to tar de hapa horsi implies la 1 by 3 si ani mak ta kana lakani sai taw yu cha manai mathaka ko makhaga kya tar hai to tar ka de 3 by 6 tar ko si ma lai thokra di mai marak tang hapjalasi kana hapka to no si ani jim marak tang tawrage si ani jim marak tang tawrage haibadi 1 by 3 ga 3 by 6 ga marak tama mu thamage 3 by 6 ga 2 by 3 gi marak tama mu thamage sira mathak makha 1 plus 3 plus 6 sidana 3 plus 2 6 plus 3 yai ko sa mathaka makhaga to targadi si leire sida kai dore 4 by 9 ko sida na 3 by 6 leire sida na 5 by 9 leire sida na 2 by 3 leire kya sura amma ani ahum sura ko ma hai je taru habo ha bane yare ko ahum wali hapsalake yare ko implies kana mak tum sike sidam hapage yare ko habadi 1 by 3 ne si marak sidam hapage sida 4 by 9 leire sige marak tama hapage sida 3 by 6 leire amma ahum ni nama wali ko tar si mak tama ka hapage 5 by 9 si marak tama ka hapage sida 2 by 3 le yare ko si mak kana to no mathak 1 plus 4 makha 3 plus 9 som da su mathak 4 plus 3 makha 9 plus 6 som da su mathak 3 plus 5 makha 6 plus 9 yare ko do targadi 1 by 3 kata 5 by 12 sina 4 by 9 sina 7 by 15 sina 3 by 6 sina kya no 8 tare sina kya no 15 tare ko 5 by 9 2 by 3 surabra 1 2 3 4 5 6 sure ko taragadi tharni ko last therefore 6 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 are 5 by 12 4 by 9 7 by 15 3 by 6 8 by 15 5 by 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 sure ko answer lo